Hi there, I'm Seb Maley and this is another monthly update from Qdos. All has been relatively quiet on the IR35 front over the last few weeks. We had the case involving the Sky Sports commentator Alan Parry, which I spoke about in a separate video, but other than that, all is quiet on the Western Front. Away from IR35, but still in the realms of status, we did have a tribunal case which involved the onshore intermediaries rules. Now, this piece of legislation is not particularly well known and is also referred to as either Section 44 or the agency legislation. It was strengthened significantly in 2014. And it targets full self-employment involving agencies who are providing sole traders to end clients. Historically, it was a particularly prevalent way of working in the construction industry, but this case involved an agency, K5K Limited, which was supplying medical professionals, nurses in particular, to end users. Unlike IR35, the determining factors with Section 44 are far narrower, with everything revolving around supervision, direction and control. So no substitution, mutuality of obligation or any of the other status tests that we are used to. The tribunal judge in this case found that K5K Limited had fallen foul of the rules and they are the party that will carry the liability for the unpaid tax. It's a bit of a wake-up call, as the legislation had not really been publicly policed by HMRC since it was amended. There is also a chance that the IR35 reform may have caused some clients or agencies to consider engaging sole traders as a workaround. I wouldn't be surprised if HMRC looked to ramp up their activity off the back of this case, so it's certainly something that people need to be aware of. Again, on the issue of status, this month the government responded to a consultation on employment status in general, both in respect of employment law and tax. Now, this consultation had started way back in February 2018, and I, presumably like many others, had completely forgotten it existed. The original consultation was looking at whether there could be more certainty on status when engaging workers, particularly in the gig economy, where we've seen numerous cases over the last few years. It also considered the disconnect between status for employment rights and status for tax, which is a major problem and adds a huge amount of complexity to the issue. After 4 years of waiting, the government's response is that they basically aren't going to do anything, apart from releasing some new guidance which will apparently help both workers and engagers. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.